Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight Blue. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, and the vehicle comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Toward the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look at the boot space in the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a rubber floor covering as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle, where there's a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration, and that also features some ISOFIX points. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece, and all the seats in the vehicle come finished in the bricks woven cloth fabric upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as connect their smartphone using the App Connect feature, utilising Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multi-function leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.